Bye guys, let's make a quick fast grilled chicken. Okay, this recipe is so fast and so yum. You're welcome back to my channel, and let's get this recipe started, shall we? Okay, so this is a bowl that my chicken is, and I will be adding some black pepper. This is the local black pepper, and I'm going to be adding some ginger. You can add garlic to yours if you want. Now I'm adding some Yaji spices. It's for suya. You can use it for any other thing, but I like adding it to my own chicken. And I'm going to be adding some seasoning cubes. If you can see, I think I use Knorr, and Knorr is my best. I'm adding a little bit of salt at this moment because the Yaji has some other mixed spices in it too. I'm going to be giving it a deep rub. You have to rub it as much as possible so that all the spice can get into the chicken, which is what I am doing right now. I took my time, but then everything has to be settled in. Okay, so for the last ingredient, I'm going to be adding a spoon of mayonnaise. Guys, this takes it to another level, and it gives it this soft and yummy taste. And see, you're going to love it. This is one of my secret ingredients that I'm sharing. So now I'm just going to cover with my cling film and put in the fridge for about 1 or 2 hours. So we are skipping the part of taking it into my air fryer, and this is what my chicken looks like after being put in the air fryer. I paired it with some grilled plantain. We had it for dinner and it was so yummy. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe out in the comment section, guys. Bye.